Right, welcome back to another ZPult unboxing, and really exciting unboxing today because this is gonna be a different unboxing. So this is not an audio gear, this is actually a massage gun from Lazada, around 1,000 pesos or $20. So one of the cheaper massage guns that I have seen. And really interesting is because this is wireless, so you have lithium ion batteries inside the gun itself, and that's pretty well packaged actually. So we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my impressions. And this one, we're gonna maybe try it out. And yeah, this is gonna be a different unboxing. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, this hard case that's included, for a 1,000 peso massage gun. That's a nice way to start our unboxing. And they have zippers, of course, and let's open it up, and this is gonna be our unboxing experience. There you go. So that is your massage gun. So actually interesting how big the case is, for a 1,000 peso massage gun. So of course you have your stuff here, and let's take a look at what you get with manuals. Getting some manuals and a physiotherapy device. Of course, why do you like massage? Everybody likes massages. So looking at what you get in package, for you're getting the massage gun, and you're actually getting a nice selection of tips massage gun tips, not your audio tips, but you're getting this one, which is like a foam tip at the top, and you're getting a flat one, and you're getting several actually, and you're getting this kind of fork tip, which is really cool. So this might be nice for your back, as you guys can see. So this might be for targeting specific parts of your muscle, and this can be for your back. It's cool. Let's put that aside, and you're getting also a kind of a pointed one, which is cool as well. And you're getting the gun. So this is actually it's pretty heavy in the hand. And yeah, right off the bat, for $20 or 1,000 pesos, this really cool value for money. It feels really weighty. It doesn't feel cheap. And look at that, guys. So this is what you're gonna get. So build quality is made of plastic overall, and it feels really weighty, so maybe because of that lithium ion battery inside. And this is where you're gonna put your tips. So let's try maybe this one, the circular one. And this has some grip to it, has a rubber grip, so this will stay on your hand, which is nice. And yeah, actually pretty minimalist in terms of the overall look, and it's quite big actually. So like compared to let's say my Rode Video Micro, it's even bigger. So it's in the big side. Definitely something that you want. It's in the heavy side as well, so this not something that you can just throw in your bag and not feel it on your bag. So definitely this bit weighty. Decide to turn it on. There you go. That's the sound that you're gonna get. It's actually pretty strong in the hand also. That's cool. So definitely you can definitely feel the vibration in your hand. So this one, the circle foam tip, it's maybe for relaxation, so it's not that strong in the hand, but yeah, that definitely feels like a massage. That's really cool. And there might be several speeds in this one. There you go. That's a higher speed, and that's the fastest speed. They gotta have 4 speeds. Oh, 5 speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-speed massage machine. So let's try this one, the flat kind of tip. Turn it on. Yeah, this one feels a bit stronger. It feels more contact in your hand. So yeah, because there's no foam at the back, at the front of the tip. So this feels a little bit stronger, but it feels similar to this one. It doesn't feel that far, but it's a bit stronger. So this is for maybe targeted areas that you like to massage. But still, it's pretty relaxing, this tip. So let's try another tip. Oh, you have LEDs as well to indicate the strength. That's really cool. I haven't seen that. So let's try another tip. Maybe this one. So I think this one will be for your back. Let's try it out. Yeah, this one is definitely more targeted, more strong compared to this two. This feels like you can really target parts of your muscle with this one. So for me, I prefer this kind of tip because it's stronger. So let's try the last one, the straight one, or the pin kind of tip. This one's cool, and it's cool that you have several choices for your massage. You definitely like that depending on what part you're gonna massage. And this one, yeah, definitely this is the most targeted of them all. So yeah, for specific points in your body, you can definitely use this. This is the strongest tip of them all. Right. So that is my unboxing of this one. I think it's pretty much worth it, for 1,000 pesos, for $20. You're getting a lot of tips. You're even getting a hard case. I think the hard case, if you're gonna buy maybe for your camera or something like that, it will be 300 pesos to 500 pesos, just the hard case itself. But it's interesting that you're getting this kind of quality of massage gun. You're getting a hard case, different kind of tip, wireless also. Of course, yeah, you're getting a charger as well. You can use it wired. Definitely really cool value with this one. I think it's definitely worth the price that you're paying for. So yeah, that's my take in the massage gun. Of course, if you want to get one, I'm gonna link it down in the comments below. I think it's really worth it, especially in the lockdown. You want some relaxation with your life, I think this can fit the bill. This can while waiting for the real massage to open up, this might be useful for you guys. And I think, yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think it's a really cool product. That's my look on the massage gun. Of course, if you have additional questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'm not a massage gun reviewer, but I think I just like to share with you guys. So this might not be a complete unboxing, but yeah, if you have additional questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna use this more, so I may be able to give you guys more feedback how this performs, longevity. Is it gonna be still okay after several usages? Yeah, just ask me down below. I'm gonna try to answer. And yeah, subscribe for more content like this. Leave a like if you learned something, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpoltunboxing. Bye.